So we decided to go out today and visit the Toledo Botanical Gardens. It's free to the public, and we just got here. We're in the playground area and it is beautiful. I suggest and recommend that you're in the area, come visit this. I mean, it had great reviews. Like I said, it's free, so it was a nice free outing for us, which at the moment we need. So yeah, come check it out. I'm gonna show you around for a second. It's a very fun area for the kiddos, like very fun. Very well constructed and engaging. Oh wow, Lex, you wanna come see the water? Don't get in the water. There's fishies, if you see them. There's some orange koi fish. You see them?
Those little specks of orange.
Yeah.
See those right there?
There's this beautiful garden here. This one's like an herb garden for different themes and stuff. So this is the literature garden, herbs from books we love. Culinary garden, herbs that are edible and used as home remedies. Moon garden, gray and silver herbs that reflect the light of the moon. It's very beautiful here. Then over here they have another part to it. That flower is gorgeous. Yeah, so very pretty here. Very, very peaceful. They say it's, I think I read it, or it's like 60 acres. So I don't know if you just drive around. I haven't really figured it out yet. We just kind of parked and started with the park and stuff. Playground, I mean. But yeah, it seems like there's a lot to do here. So we'll try to see as much as we can and see if we have to drive to it, okay?
Excuse me?
Yes.
You can put your hands inside there and get wet because it's really, really refreshing after a hot day at the park.
Yeah, and it is a little warm now. So, all right. You want to go show them?
Yeah. Come on, look. Mommy, can you open that, please? Thank you.
I have a pocket.
See? After a hot day in the wooden park, all you want to do is get refreshed. And then you take yourself off. Or dry yourself with your mommy.
There's so much space to run around and just relax here. It's beautiful. There's a beautiful sculpture way out there. Gonna have to go see it too. The breeze today, it's just lovely, but the sun is strong. So down here under the shade, it feels amazing. As soon as you step into the sun, I start sweating. But it's really nice here. Crosby Conference Center, I think that's where they have some like wedding events and different events, because I saw some set up there. Kind of nice. Let's see what else we can find. This is called Monument to a Tree by Carl Floyd, funded by the City of Toledo. 1% for our program, administered by the Arts Commission of Greater Toledo with assistance from the following: Toledo Botanical Garden, Toledo Division of Fleet and Facility, Toledo Division of Forestry, dedicated November 1994. Look at that. From far, that looks so cool. Huh. That looks good from here. It's neat, but it looks even more amazing from far because it blends in with this art sculpture here. That's so neat. See? Isn't that awesome? Cool. There's another pretty sculpture here. I don't see a sign that says who the artist is or anything, but it is really neat.
I'm hot and sweaty today.
Check out this pretty bridge. Oh, it's so peaceful here. It's very beautiful. Oh, these gardens are beautiful. I think we're reaching the end here, but it is a great place to go. I recommend it for everybody. I hope you enjoyed seeing this place with us.